Hey everybody, welcome back. Gonna preface this by saying I'm sick. As obviously you could tell, I have like a man voice. I'm like, smelly cat, what are they feeding you? So yeah, I got that going on, and I broke my camera stand. So I have my camera very delicately rigged, and I'm very likely to probably knock it over sometime during this video. Hopefully not. To save time, because it hurts to talk, I've gone ahead and removed the packs from this box of 2018 Bowman's Best Baseball. That will help some limit the amount of time you have to listen to this voice. And I'm going to try to be as close to the mic as possible because it's really hard to talk with any volume. So I have one stack of mini box packs here and another here. If anybody watched my last video, then you saw that I scored big time. I got an Acuna on card autograph gold parallel number to 50, and I was really ecstatic about that. So of course I'm like chasing the dragon and opening more Bowman's Best, which probably won't yield anything nearly as good as that, but whatever, you never know. So let's break into these and see what we get. Alright. Carrasco, Verdugo rookie, Scott Kingery rookie, a Jaron Kendall Best of 2018 autograph redemption. So that's nice. And an Ozzie Albies rookie refractor. What a great start. Good first pack. Alright. Alec Bum, Ryan Weathers, Mark McGuire, 98 Best Performers reprint, Javier Baez purple refractor. I don't think I got one of these in my first box. This is numbered out of 250. And a Javier Baez base refractor. Yeah, I'm already digging box number 2, so yay for that. Make me feel better with this illness I have. There's Brennan McKay, Alec Thomas, Pavin Smith early indications, a Bryce Harper power producers. Oh, and a Casey Mize refractor. Another good card there. Wow. Altuve, George Springer, Dustin Fowler rookie, Keibert Ruiz on card Dodgers autograph, refractor. At that, I should also mention that's a refractor. Another nice auto. And Jordan Groshans refractor. Alright, 2 more packs from this mini box. Kershaw, Rizzo, Jacob deGrom, Royce Lewis best performers, and Mitch Keller refractor. Lots of prospect refractors, that's good. Robles rookie, Nick Madrigal, Joe Adele atomic, very nice. Very, very nice card. Devers Neophyte Sensations. I did get one of these in my last box. And a Joe Adele base refractor. This has been a really good box. Alright, that is excuse me guys. That is mini box number 1. Gosh, I hope you guys can hear me. Well, even if you can't, you can see the cards. It might be better just see the cards than to listen to me ramble on. Alright, JD Martinez, Freddie Freeman, Fernando Romero rookie, Urias autograph on card. Base auto. And Manny Machado refractor. So to me, I mean, that's 3 very decent autographs. We still got one more to go. Brian Anderson, rookie. Benintendi. Connor Scott, best performers. Brendan McKay, early indications. And J.P. Crawford, rookie refractor. There's Acuna. That's good. Whit Merrifield. Whit Merrifield blue to 150. Definitely got more color in this box than the last one. Alec Baum, power producers. And Cody Bellinger, refractor. Clinic, Fernando Tatis Jr., Austin Riley, Alec Thomas on card autograph. So that is auto number 4. Probably the least good auto in the box. Chapman refractor. Still got 2 packs to go. Jordan Adams, Adames, rookie. Austin Meadows, rookie, best performers. Oh, a Hilo Ramos, early indications atomic. I didn't realize there were atomic versions of the insert sets. So that's a surprise. And Josh Donaldson, refractor. This is not numbered, by the way. I was checking to see. Alright, last pack. Jose Ramirez. There's a Gleyber Torres rookie. Mayhaw rookie. Baez early indications. And Charlie Blackmon refractor. I'm going to call this another good box. There was no Acuna gold autograph, but I mean, this was still very solid. Very happy with this. It makes me really want to get another one even to see if I could keep doing as well as this. So alright guys, I'm not going to ramble on. I don't know if you could even hear me at this point. I'm going to go drink some hot tea and try to get my voice back. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope none of you are sick. And I hope you don't get sick if you're not. Everybody take care. And I'll have some new... What have I got coming up? I've got... Oh, another hobby box of Optic Football. And another hobby box of Elite Extra Edition. And I may get one more box of this. If you guys want to see me open another one of these, comment below and let me know. Okay, everybody take care. I'll be back soon.